The so much awaited update on Ariwallet is here. First off, you need to update to the latest version. So your updates, I'm on Google Play Store as an Android user. Update is complete. Let's launch. So while we're waiting for this update, some scammer who also knew very well how important this update is gained access to the Discord channel and left a link for people to click on the link and connect their wallets. Now, people who didn't quite understand, I don't know what happened, but their wallets got compromised. That's why it's very important you pay attention. Don't click on unknown links. I understand in their case they used that Discord server that people believed it to be that of the Ariwallet team, but however that update was not from Ariwallet core team, so be cautious, right? So if you connected the wallet, you should find a way to revoke that access. So on the latest app, here is what you need to do. And just so we're sure we are not just falling prey for another scam, let's check their Twitter page to confirm this. So here's the official Twitter page with a followership of 611k, and they shared this. So 19 hours ago, they debunked the scam attempt I'm talking about. A scam post has been uploaded on Discord. The information registration update is scheduled for November 7th, which is today. Please be cautious of the scam post. The team is currently taking action. 3 hours ago, they shared the in-app user information registration update for Ariwallet will proceed as planned and be released within 24 hours. This process can only be completed within the Ariwallet app. Please be cautious of scam links and scam posts, right? You will not need the link to do this. It will be updated and you can actually do it on the Ariwallet app, which is what we're doing right now. So here again, 2 hours ago, the Ariwallet in-app information registration update has been completed. Please complete the following steps. Register your EVM wallet address. Enter a wallet address such as Metamask. Do not use Ariwallet address. And the second thing, Twitter handle. Enter your Twitter handle including this character. And the third is Discord handle. Go to Discord, my account, and enter your username, not your display name. Please make sure to complete this process. Once again, we want to emphasize that we do not connect or access your wallets directly. Be careful of scam links and fake accounts. Very important. Now let's go back and complete our task. If you are submitting a wallet from OKX, for instance, the recommended wallet is EVM compatible, right? So you can simply go to your wallet, tap on Ethereum and copy the address and go submit. It's EVM compatible. And you click on submit your task proof. Submit EVM compatible address, submit Discord handle, submit Twitter handle. So if you're wondering how to get your Discord handle, you come here, click on you, that's your profile. So what you have here is your Discord handle, right? Your display name, in my case, is Terry Goodman. This is my Discord handle right here, the one with numbers. So after filling up this, please don't forget to add the character for your Twitter handle. Then you confirm everything is accurate and click on verify wallet balance. And of course, these are the balances: Ari-G. Click on submit. Task proof submitted successfully. To complete your proof submission, please enter the same information: wallet address, Discord handle, and Twitter handle using your submitted Discord account. So because of the last page after submitting the task, here is a clarification. Do not share or post any information entered in Ariwallet in the Discord chat. Some people think they are supposed to come here in the chat and share what they have posted there. You can see people are already doing that, so please don't. I think I read somewhere where they mentioned the bots that people can use, so I don't see that here yet, and I don't see anywhere where it's stated that we can submit that information. So I think we should just submit what we are doing on the app and wait for further instructions, right? That's my opinion. So once you're done here on the app, I think you should chill for now and wait for further instructions, right? Let's go home. So task proof successfully submitted. Please resubmit if you need to edit your X Discord EVM wallet information. So for now, this is it, right? So you have 17 days, 19 hours, and 40 something minutes to do this, right? So don't wait till this time runs out. Do it as soon as possible. So thanks and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.